In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images in Google Sheets. Let's walk through a simple, reliable way to add visuals to your spreadsheet so your data is clearer and more engaging. First, click the exact cell where you want the image. This selection matters because it tells Google Sheets the intended location, especially if you want the picture embedded inside that cell rather than floating above the grid. Next, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Image. You'll see two options. Image in Cell places the picture directly into the selected cell and automatically fits it to the cell's boundaries. It stays attached to that cell, so if you sort or filter your data, the image moves with it. Image over Cells, on the other hand, places the picture on top of your sheet, independent of the cells beneath it. It behaves like a movable layer you can drag and position anywhere on the sheet. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the image, tied to data, or positioned freely for design or annotation. After choosing where the image should live, decide how to upload it. You can add a file from your computer, provide a URL, or choose from Google Drive or Google Photos. From your computer, simply select the image file you want. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF work well. If you're using a URL, make sure it's a direct link to an image file and that you have access to view it. When selecting from Google Drive, browse to the correct folder and pick the image you need. Remember that sharing settings in Drive determine who can see the image in a shared sheet. With Google Photos, choose the photo or album you want to pull from your library. Once you confirm your choice, the image appears in the selected location. If you chose Image in Cell, it will sit neatly inside that cell. If you picked Image over Cells, it will float above your sheet so you can click and drag to reposition it and use the corner handles to adjust its size. For in-cell images, consider widening the column or increasing the row height if you want more of the picture visible. For floating images, align them with your content to keep the sheet easy to read. That's all there is to it. Click the cell, use Insert an Image, pick in cell or over cells, select your upload source, and your image appears right where you expect.